Hello students, in chemistry chapter 2 is matter around us pure. We are studying the separation techniques and now I am going to explain you the third separation technique. Now what is the kind of mixture here? We are asking that how can we separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids. So what we have to do? We have to separate constituents of immiscible liquids. So now what do we mean by immiscible? Immiscible means the liquids which do not mix with each other, completely. That is known as immiscible mixture or immiscible liquid. The best example of immiscible liquid is oil and water. We have seen that if we mix oil in water, they do not mix completely with each other. Oil is always floating on the surface of the water. So it is a type of immiscible liquid. So what is the method used? Here the method used is separating funnel. It is a different type of funnel which is used to separate constituents of immiscible liquids. Okay, now what is the principle behind this method of using separating funnel? The principle is that immiscible liquids separate out in layers depending on their densities. Okay, so what is the principle? That immiscible liquid always form layers. We have seen if we add oil in water, we will see that a distinct layer of oil above the water. So it means they will always form layers. And how they will form layers? That depend on their densities. Means the liquid which is heavy will come at the bottom and the liquid which is lighter will be above it. Okay, so the immiscible liquids separate out in layers depending on their densities. This is the principle behind the method of separating funnel. Okay, now what is the activity? We have taken mixture of kerosene oil and water. Okay, this is a type of separating funnel. Okay, in this we have taken mixture of kerosene oil and water. Okay, so what will happen? We know that according to their densities, if we compare their densities, kerosene oil is lighter and water is heavier. So what will we find out? That kerosene oil layer will be above the layer of water. Okay, so we will pour the mixture of kerosene oil and water in the separating funnel and we will allow it undisturbed for some time. So what will happen when we don't disturb the mixture? Then the layers will be formed. Separate layers of oil and water will be formed. Okay, now there is a stopcock here which we can open and close. So what we will do, we'll take a beaker and keep here at the stem of the funnel and we will open the stopcock. Then if we open the stopcock, then what will happen? The lower layer of water will pour out. Okay, the lower layer of water will come out from this funnel and that can be collected in the beaker. As soon as the layer of oil will come, then we will switch off this. We will stop this. We will close this stopcock, and what will happen? The oil will remain in this separating funnel, and water is separated in a beaker. Okay, and if we want to take out this oil also, we will change the beaker. We will put some another beaker and then again we will open the stopcock, then oil will come and that can also be separated. Okay, so in this way oil and water are separated by using a different type of technique, that is separating funnel method. Now what are the applications of this method? The very first we have studied to separate mixture of oil and water. This technique is used to separate mixture of oil and water. And what is the other application, important application is, it is used in the extraction of iron. What happens when we extract iron metal from its ore? When we extract iron metal from its ore, then the impurities will come up on the molten iron. The iron will be melted at high temperature and there will be impurities on the molten iron, which is known as slag. Okay, and this slag is removed from the top of this mixture by using this separating funnel technique. Okay, and the iron will be at the bottom of the furnace and slag will be removed by using the separating funnel method. So there are two important applications of separating funnel method: to separate mixture of oil and water, and secondly, in the extraction of iron from its ore, slag is removed from the mixture by using the separating funnel method. In this way, we can separate mixture of two immiscible liquids by using the method of separating funnel. Thank you.